Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this 2 by 2 ghost cube. It is scariest cube because it doesn't have basically any stickers, and it moves once we do off center, then it only moves, otherwise it doesn't move. So from here it will not move. So you can see we have to make it off center first and then we can move it. Secondly, all pieces are different, so you can see no pieces are similar. So we have to first look at the pieces in detail so that we can remember the pieces and we can fix it. So if you look at this piece is something like triangle. So this is a corner piece kind of a piece wherein I mean this is the only piece which is like a corner piece. Next to this corner piece is like a diamond piece, you can say. It is on the this side, and this is I mean the smaller side of the corner piece, and this is the bigger side of the corner piece. So on bigger side there is a big piece which is like high half diamond cut. So this is a bigger piece on left hand side, and next to this diamond piece is the piece which has rectangle side and bigger rectangle side. There are two pieces which has rectangle side. This has the rectangle side, and one more piece, this has the rectangle side, but this is a smaller rectangle side, whereas this has a bigger rectangle side. So we can first we can at least remember these four pieces, so our bottom will be solved. So we can solve it like 2 by 2, but since there is no shape and it's a shape shifting, so definitely it gives a challenge. So first let us scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So our first step is to find that corner piece. So the corner piece is corner piece. Corner piece is here. So this is the smaller side of this corner piece, and this is the bigger side, and this is the bottom. So we'll build around this piece. So on right hand side it was a diamond shape piece. So where is that piece? It is here. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this close to it. So this is rotated, so simply it's like this. This is the piece. It's like it is like this. So we have this one corner, that is this corner. So now we have to build around this. So we need to find one white, blue and orange. So blue side, so blue is here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up, and we have to fix next to this. So this is fixed. So similarly, because it is this is rotated, so what we'll do is we'll do r u r prime u prime, again r u r prime and u prime. So now we can see it is matched, but it is not yet, it is fixed. Okay, so now we have to see from this angle also whether it is fixed or not. So this is fixed. Now we have to find on the left side there was a big piece which was like half diamond, so it is this piece. So we have to try and fix it with this. So what we'll do is, this is our two corners which are fixed. Now we have to fix the third corner. So we'll keep this on left hand side and we have to do this algorithm. We'll keep this in bottom rather, and we'll do this algorithm, that is r u r prime u prime, again r u r prime u prime, r u r prime u prime, again r u r prime and u prime. So now we can see this is fixed, this is also fixed, and now we have to fix the fourth corner which has a big rectangle side. So this is the corner which we have to fix it over here. So it is simple r u r prime u prime, r u r prime u prime, r u r prime and u prime. So now we can see this is also fixed. I think this is not correctly positioned, so we have to fix it. So r u r prime u prime, again r u r prime and u prime. So now we can see this piece was rotated, so it was not properly placed. Now it is placed properly. So our first layer is done. This is our first layer. So 1 2 3 and 4. So it is similar to this, that first layer of this is now done. Now this is the top layer. So first step is to see whether any of the pieces are matching. So what we'll do is we'll go piece by piece and we'll try to check. So this piece, no. So first we'll try with this whether it is matching with any side or not. So yes, see, you can see this is matching with this side. So this is the correct place. Now we can see this is the correct place. Okay, so now we have to see what all corners are placed properly like this. So this is, no, this is not. Now next this, we'll check this. No, no. So this is also not placed properly. This last will check whether it fixes with the bottom corners. It does not. Okay, so only one corner which is correctly positioned and 3 corners are not. So we will do the similar algorithm of 2 by 2 to rotate this 3. So we'll keep this corner which is correctly positioned on right hand side, and we'll have to do this algorithm, that is u r u prime l prime u r prime u prime and l. So now we can see all corners are placed properly and our cube is solved. I'll show you few other cases wherein there will be a parity. This is another case wherein the entire cube is solved except these two pieces. So we can visualize that this is a smaller piece and this space is bigger. So this bigger piece will come here and this piece will come here. So these two are swapped. So this is similar parity issue of 2 by 2 wherein the entire cube is solved except these two are swapped. So normally what we do is this is the orange, green and yellow side. It should be on top of it like this. So first we'll match it with this and then we'll perform this, because this was here. You can see the entire cube and these two needs to swap. So first what we'll do is we'll bring this piece over here on top of it and we'll match it, and we'll do this algorithm, that is 2r u 2r ui 2r. Now we'll rotate this cube right hand side, 2r ui 2r u 2r, and now we can see the cube is solved. So in this case also what we'll do is this smaller piece should be here and this bigger piece should be here. So we'll bring this piece on top of it and we'll perform this algorithm, that is 2r u 2r ui 2r. Now turn right, 2r ui 2r u and 2r, and now we can see the cube is solved. I'll show you a few more cases. Okay, so this is one more case wherein you will see this is looking like it is matching with the edges, but if you try to match with the bottom layer, it will not match. You can see this. So these two are not correctly positioned. Now we have to look at this side, this piece, whether it is matching with this. So now you can see this is matching. Pieces are not correctly placed, because if you look at this piece, I mean you can see it is not correctly placed because this is not the this is not correctly placed. You can see it from here. So this is not correctly placed. So only one piece is correctly placed, it is this piece. So we need to rotate this piece, and few pieces are all three pieces are rotated. So what we'll do is we'll keep this on right hand side and we'll first make it off center so that we can rotate it. So that is u, this is the correct piece which is correctly placed. So we have kept it right side, and now we'll make it off center and we'll do this algorithm, that is u r ui li u ri ui l. Okay, so now we have to see whether any of the pieces can we match, or is it possible to? So this piece has smaller, okay, this piece has a smaller V shape, that we can fix it. So this is the correct piece for this place. This is also, I think, correct piece. And now what we'll do is, these all are correctly placed, I think. Now we'll rotate them so that we get to know. So we'll rotate them. It is RI DI R D RI DI R D. So this is placed properly. Now we'll bring this unsolved rotated piece. So RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D. So I think these two pieces are correctly positioned. Now you can see these two pieces are correctly positioned, but this piece and this piece are swept, sorry. So this piece should be here and this piece should be here. So you can see it, this both the pieces are swept. So we'll again do the same algorithm. We'll bring this piece, first we'll make it off center so that we can rotate it. We'll bring this piece on top of this, and now we'll do this algorithm, that is 2R U 2R UI 2R turn right 2R UI 2R U 2R. Okay, so now we have to see this, both the pieces are now swept. Now we have to just rotate them. So we'll first rotate this piece, so that is RI DI R D RI DI R. See, you can see it is properly fixed, R and D. Don't forget to complete the algorithm. Now rotate this, move this out, and we have to fix this, rotate this corner, RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R, and now we can see the cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.